Another differential equation example will be added to the playlist. I assume you know the vocabulary, and then you'll see how easily you get through it. You recognize an inhomogeneous second-order differential equation. For the solution, we need yh of x plus yp of x. First, the general solution for the homogeneous equation, and then specifically for the inhomogeneous one. Let's start by solving the homogeneous equation y double prime minus y equals 0. That leads you to the characteristic equation lambda squared minus 1 equals 0. That leads you to lambda equals plus or minus 1, which should then be used accordingly, and yh of x is then equal to c1 times e to the x plus c2 times e to the minus x. Then we use the ansatz yp of x equals the times x times e to the x. Accordingly, now we need two derivatives. Here as well, the vocabulary applies. Yp prime would be u prime times v plus u times v prime, or written differently, a times open parenthesis 1 plus x. 1 plus x, of course, goes inside the parenthesis. A times open parenthesis 1 plus x close parenthesis times e to the x. So yp double prime is then, now we take this expression again, u and v. U prime, the whole package derived here would be a, the derivative of x is 1, times e to the power of x, plus the whole thing carried over, 1 plus x times v prime e to the power of x. We can write that down now, again factoring out a, and then 1 plus 1 is 2 plus x times e to the power of x. Now we substitute into the differential equation, and then we have a times 2 plus x times e to the power of x minus ix times e to the power of x. That leads us to, yes, we have here 2a minus a is a ax there. Let's factor that out. Here we have 2a plus ax minus ax. That cancels out, so we're left with 2ae to the power of x. Now we'll set the whole thing equal. 2ae to the power of x with e to the power of x. Dividing by e to the power of x, 2a equals 1 or a equals 1.5. And with that, we can give the complete solution. I of x is 1. c1e to the power of x plus c2e to the minus x plus 1.5 xe to the power of x. Yes, with the corresponding practice exercises, I hope that after a while, once you've recognized the math vocabulary, the danger is gone and you'll get through the topics easily.